Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. It's Nick Memes here, Islamic contingent trader, and the topic of this video is going to be Temmy. Temmy's coin, which is now popularized and promoted by Tommy.crypto, #1 meme coin YouTuber at the moment, over 5k subscribers, and I've watched every single video and stream of his. Absolutely love this guy, but I'm going to give my honest opinion about Temmy. We're gonna review the chart, review the coin, review the signs, whether bullish or bearish. And I'm gonna tell you if you should enter and when you should enter if you should. But first, I'll tell you guys that I've supported Temmy in this video. About 50 minutes ago, this is my transaction. I topped up some Temmy for myself, 0.5 Solana on my other wallet. I'm also holding some Temmy on my main wallet, but I'll also show you the transaction. As you can see right here, we're holding some Temmy on this wallet now. But now let's get into this video and let's see what I have for you guys. And it's going to be really educational as always. And if you didn't know, Temmy's coin actually is a Pump.fun coin. So it was launched at $5k in market cap on Pump.fun, and it launched on Radium at $50k, as you know. And then it had a quite good jump at $180k market cap, almost 200k, which is pretty spectacular for a Pump.fun coin. That already is like a 35x. That already is some nice gains. But as you know, and as everyone knows, Pump.fun coins like to dump and die out on Radium. And this is kind of what happened to Temmy, at least in the following hours after his pump. You can see it came back to this level. Actually, it formed an all-time low at $23k in market cap, as you can see right here. And this was the phase of fear. No one was sure what is going to happen to Temmy right now in this stage. It's a Pump.fun coin. What will happen when Tommy stops his live stream, which he did about this level, I would say. I'm not quite sure, but the coin dropped significantly, and this was a phase of fear. Once again, no one was sure whether to buy this dip, whether the coin can reverse. And guess what, guys? It did reverse. As you can see here, a real nice pattern. Another high, which was just $20k in market cap short from our all-time high of 180k. And then it came back again from its second wave, then going up again for its third wave. Let me now scroll the chart for you. We can see this clearly is a phase of consolidation, actually a downtrend, I would say, not a consolidation, a downtrend to be more precise. And Temmy hit its all-time low once again at this support level, the first support at 23k. Let me draw the trend line for you guys as well. You can see it very clearly, and everyone can. And traders who notice that it's touching and heading towards its all-time low again at its support level could have bought at this level exactly at 23k and been up more than 50%, which is little, but still it's already a nice trade since you had a perfect entry at this level once again. Hence, you always have to look at the support levels of tokens. You can see, actually this is, we're gonna deselect it. Now we're gonna select the trend line again. This is, I want to show you another support level for Temmy, which is about $40k in market cap. As you can see, the dip is the support, very dumped down explanation, but this is really how it works. We can see two clear support levels for Temmy. It did break through the 40k one, which, you know, it did try to bounce. We can see it from this little candle right here. This one, this one, this one. Each one is 50 minutes old, but it did have a little bounce, about 50% once again, but it came back down here. And what you should do here, guys, let's now examine possible scenarios for Temmy's coin from this level. We can see here the volume is pretty shallow. It's better than it was around this level. Yes, the volume right here is better. You can see those candles. So it's on the uptrend sort of. And coupled with volume, the coins can do beautiful things. We can quite literally see it reverse like it did before. It's nothing we haven't seen. It did it 2 times already, from 20k level to 160k. And then again to 160k once again, actually, from 40k level. So it has already done this sort of a pattern from the bottom back to up. This is one possible scenario. It can just rally up. What I'm kind of looking for here though is perhaps a double bottom. We can see the volume is kind of shallow. The coin might bottom out again to 20k level, about 20k dollars in market cap, which is another buying dip opportunity at the support level. And if it's a double bottom as well, a trend reversal sign, you can pretty confidently ape into the coin at this level, guys. So if you can catch this double bottom, if it's going to happen, I would definitely wait for it and see for an entry here. But nevertheless, you can see, guys, here that Temmy is at a discount. Without diving deep into this entire Fibonacci strategy, you guys have to look at this here. This is the equilibrium price, which means if it's trading above, it's for a premium price. Here is risky to buy. You're buying the tops, and you should never buy the tops. You should always buy only the dips, and this right here is telling me where I should buy the dip. When should I buy the dip? In this yellow zone, anything below 100k is already at a discount. A very good discount would be below 83k and above 56k, or below it, of course. So if you can catch the dip below 56k, that's absolutely amazing. That's the cheapest discount. That's as cheap as it can get, really, guys. So you can see here, entering at this level is pretty juicy. So all of those, let me show you, let me draw that for you. Those tops right here, which you can see, you're buying above the price of equilibrium. You're paying premium for the coin, you're buying the tops. You should never buy the tops though. So this is one possible scenario that Temmy will now reverse, but the third one, or actually the second one, I'm not sure, we can see here is maybe consolidation. A consolidation because there lacks volume. If the volume is going to lack, without volume, the coin can do nothing. I mean, sure, let's say it's a double bottom. Without volume, it's not gonna go up, right, guys? It's not gonna go up. So we need to see volume in order for it to go up. What needs to happen is community awakening once again. The fear phase going away. We can see this clearly is a big fear phase. Once it fades, once fear and bleeding goes away, this coin can have another high once again. So you can understand, guys, those coins are reliant on the community, not even on the developer or the influencer behind this token. Tommy can push the coins, yes, and he should promote it on his live stream. That's what he is doing. However, guys, the key is you. The key is the community. And if you're not yet in Temmy, perhaps that's a good entry for you. I think it really is. I've aped into Temmy at this level for some more. But you should, guys, always do your own research. And yes, it's all about the community. But this coin, I want to tell you, is rug proof, because actually the developer of this token just sold like 30 minutes in, but it still wasn't Pump.fun. So the token doesn't have a developer, and Tommy just took that role, kind of. So I really believe in Tommy. He can't rug this token. It's really rug proof. Hold the distribution, as we can see here, is looking really healthy. Let me scroll down for you. We can see the top holder having only 3%. The second holder having 3%. We can see they're having 2%, 3%, and they're not holding much, which means even if those JITs or long-term holders happen to sell some of their Temmy, some of their supply, this coin, this shouldn't have a much of a price impact on the token. At least there wouldn't be any panic selling. The fear just has to go away, and once it does, Temmy can go for new highs. And I'm really rooting for Temmy and for Tommy. If you want to trade Temmy, you can do so on Forum, which link is in my description, or Trojan, which I personally used to buy Temmy and to usually have my trades done. You can use Trojan, a very nice bot. But I'm going to wrap this video up here, guys, and I want you to like this video and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and come back for more.